mom? You? Suspect number 2. Who? Where's Dad? I don't see him. I still can't see him. I think that's a Oh, there you go. Suspect number 3. All of you come up here, please.
Dun, dun.
Now, usually we have suspects in these things, like clues. This is our crime scene. Alright? A clue. Alright. I can only let one person in here with me.
I want to go in there. I want to go in there.
Wait. Our suspects are being held captive, right? Wait, where are they? Oh, there you go. Alright, you guys stand over there by the kid. Get bad guys right now.
Oh, I want to go in there, please. I want to go.
Alright, now,
Look at him.
you choose another friend. Just one. Oh, that random. Where's Anthony? That's Anthony?
Yeah.
Alright, come on over here, Anthony.
He didn't choose me.
Alright. Now, step into this crime scene. Be very, very careful not to step into any like this mud pile, this blood. Come on. Now, name one thing you see in the crime scene.
The knife.
Not tonight. This. Strange powder.
Oh.
Bag of sugar.
Oh. Well, what was sugar? Alright, let's step out of the crime scene. Be very careful.